Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas Meyer. I'm the VP in charge of marketing and channel management at SpinetiX. Welcome to our SpinetiX booth at InfoComm in Orlando. This year at the show we are showcasing some product news about SpinetiX ARYA, the award-winning CMS for enterprises. We just released some new plans and new features designed to answer customer evolving needs in a simple and consistent way. We indeed now features in ARYA a higher degree of integration with Elementi, our unique and advanced content authoring software, while remaining an easy-to-use and accessible cloud platform to compose, schedule, and publish content. What does it mean? It means that now integrators and content developers can tap into the vast potential of Elementi and its 250 plus widgets to create data-driven content and advanced integration for the customers and deliver them into an intuitive and accessible cloud setting. This is a fantastic opportunity for integrators to unleash their creativity and package their added value for the customers in an optimal way. Basically, in summary, you benefit from the ease of use of SpinetiX ARYA combined with the power of the Elementi software. Experience it for yourself and come visit us on our booth 833 at the show or learn more on our website at spinetix.com/ARYA.